Hello guys, this is a video on how to buy and stake PYTH. So everywhere in the crypto space, I keep seeing stake PYTH for possible airdrop. So I made this beginners friendly video on how to stake PYTH. Let's get to it. So first thing, you have to buy your Solana from your Binance or any other centralized exchange. And then you have to download your Solflare wallet or any other Solana wallet and create an account and save your secret phrase. And after that, you can now proceed to head over to Binance to send some tokens to this place. So you click on receive and copy your Sol wallet address, then head over to Binance, click on withdrawal, click on via crypto network, and then paste your address, put the network and input an amount. I advise you put a little amount first to make sure that you're doing the right thing before you now send your full Solana balance. So after withdrawal and confirming transaction, you go back to your Solana and now you have that little amount. So next thing is to add PYTH network. So click on manage assets and search for PYTH and click on add, and then you swipe to confirm. It will need a little amount of so for gas fee in order for you to add the PYTH network. Now it has been added successfully. Now you have your PYTH network, so you go back to withdraw the full amount of Solana into your Solflare wallet. So impute an amount, and there you go, you have your full Sol amount. So the next thing you need to do is to swap your Solana to PYTH, and you can do that in this same browser session of your Solflare wallet. So clicking on the browser session, you input this jupe.ag/swap. This is the DEX, and then connect your wallet. Your Solflare wallet is there for you to connect, and you click on connect. So no need to auto connect or auto approve, just a one-time thing. Then you input an amount of Solana to swap to PYTH, then search for PYTH for you to swap to. I reduced the amount because I discovered that I need some Sol for gas. So I reduced the amount of Sol to swap, so I have some left for gas. So when you swipe to confirm, transaction in no time will be successful. So you go back, refresh the page, you can see that your PYTH network, you now have some tokens there. So next thing is to stake. So this is staking. Still in the browser session, click on staking.pyth.network and it opens you to this page where you have to automatically connect your wallet. And after that, you input an amount of PYTH you want to stake. So I want to stake everything because that's what I need to do, just to stake PYTH. And after some time, you have to swipe to confirm. And after swiping to confirm, in no time, the transaction will be successful and you successfully deposited and locked your PYTH network. So that's all for this video. Bye guys.